Hey there, everyone. I'm going to talk a little bit about attribute extraction or product attributes. So this is a feature we've been working on for a little while in the business. It's really designed to provide really detailed, granular information that's hidden within inside your product data. So products, let's say we're looking at a handful of whiskeys here. The products that we're looking at are, they're very complex products that have got, well, in this instance, let's talk about the kind of attributes we have in this type of product. So we've got age, we've got distillery, we've got bottling date, we've got the location of, or the type of cask they were finished in. We've got the flavor, we've got the taste, we've got the packaging condition, we've got just hundreds and hundreds of different variables of information that's really kind of provides this really rich information that sits underneath the product. It's very, very difficult to go and extract this data from, or it was very, very difficult to go and extract this data from a product set and really understand what is inside the product set. These kind of, the information that's really inside that product can be super useful from a marketing perspective and from a retargeting perspective. There's just so many different use cases of how businesses use this information to enrich their product, essentially provide better experiences to their customers by providing more structured information on the product page, being able to provide more structured information to search engines to improve search, helping, Google understand what it is from a paid advertising perspective, and then, but ultimately really providing, the really underlying information that's inside that product that can help conversion rate dramatically. So we're going to look at a product over here and just kind of talk you through an attribute extraction. We generally do this as part of our rewriting or our writing process. So if you are writing a product description, for a complex pump or something let's say a Dyson vacuum cleaner, you want to understand the warranty, you want to understand all of these items, and you want to provide this information in a really structured format. We can use an attribute extraction to be able to convert that data into something that's structured that we can then use in search and then in other areas of the, even in a tagging system, for instance. So here we've got a whiskey, it's 30-year-old. I'm just going to I've already run a quick attribute extraction over this product, and I can show you the output that we are managing to achieve here. So it's a 1984 Jira distillery status is operational. So we only found that information out by going and doing an online search. It's a single malt whiskey. The numbers of bottles produced in that bottling was 4,800. So this is actually gathered from an online search of this specific bottling. So strength is 42%. Lots, please note small marks on the creasing. Packaging condition, original packaging, all in great condition. Finished in a certain type of sherry cask. Distillation year is 1984. Bottling year 2003. It's inside specific categories. Additional information. So we've basically broken down the product information into a much more structured JSON file that we can then use in any different part of our marketing. So for here, I would certainly want to be able to apply this bottle to, or convert this structured information into a tagging system. So bottling year, distillation year, sherry finish, it's from the islands, it's a rare cask, it's operational distillery, it's from Jira. All of those are really, really useful items that we can now use in our marketing to be able to, provide ways that we can actually position this product or push this product into collection pages or provide the more structured information on the product page. That's really going to help that customer find the product and find what they want to purchase. So I hope that's an interesting use case. These kind of attribute extractions get much, much more granular. So if you look at like an MSDS sheet or something like a material, some kind of material data sheet or technical specification, we can actually do a product extraction or a data extraction from those sheets and then apply that into a line item on your product and really enrich that PIM to the point where you've got all of the data that, is locked away in a technical specification sheet actually inside the PIM that you can now use that in your marketing. So super interesting use case here about how you can use it. If you'd like to chat through it, I'm more than happy to jump on a call and listen to your requirements and see how we can accommodate that. Thanks very much for watching, guys. Thanks so much for did.